Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVEO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere and, risk having that cause clutter. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, right up here around that 88-cent mark was an area of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that would be one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level going forward, when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up there above $1.02. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.02, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.02 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at right now, key level going to be right up there at $1.15. So $1.15, nothing fancy behind, the rationale there other than the fact that that's just where the party stopped today. So $1.15 public enemy number one going into Tuesday. All in all, though, great way to start off the week, and still 4 days left this week. So let's see how things continue to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.